Crafter, thanks for being here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I cut and use my pattern vinyl on multiple surfaces. Apply the clear vinyl by removing some of the backing and lining up the clear vinyl on top of the label sheet. You'll want to have extra vinyl so that you don't have to line it up perfectly and it can hang off the edges. Then you'll come in with the brayer tool and get all of the wrinkles out. Then you can leave a little notch like you see me doing here and trim along all the edges to get the excess off, leaving you with a perfect piece of pattern vinyl. You'll see here I have this little tab in case you wanted to use it as a full sheet. You can pull it that way. And here I'm showing you how I did it with this pattern, and I actually really messed it up. I had a huge crease, but it turned out fine and worked great. Cut with Settings Premium Outdoor Vinyl and more pressure. Depending on the newness of your blade, you may have to cut it twice. You can check this by attempting to weed a small area before unloading your mat. Weed very carefully and drag your weeding tool along those cut lines to help them separate. You'll want to use your weeding tool to apply pressure on each letter to keep them down on the backing. My blade probably needs to be changed, so I don't foresee anyone else having as much trouble as I am here. If you are, it's probably likely that you're due for a blade change too. Transfer your design onto the transfer tape. Burnish using the brayer or scraper tool, then turn it over and transfer the design by pulling the backing away from the tape. Transfer your design onto the desired surface, burnish it really well, then pull the transfer tape all the way back over onto itself and pull it off. I did many cuts with this vinyl before making this tutorial. I tested really teeny tiny letters, scripty letters, blocky letters. They all worked amazing. Applying epoxy directly to this caused a discoloration and translucency. So you'll want to seal it with a very thin brushed on layer of polycrylic. This shows an oversaturation.